In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who viewed a file using activity visibility in Google Drive. To get started, head over to Google Drive and sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Drive, the first thing you'll want to do is locate the specific file you want to check. This can be a document, spreadsheet, presentation, or another file stored in your Drive. When you find the file, right-click on it. In the menu that appears, look for either File Information or View Details. The exact wording can vary a little depending on the version of the interface you're seeing, but both options will take you to the file's details area. This is where Google Drive gives you more context about the file, beyond just its name and location. After the Details panel opens, click on the Activity tab. This section is useful because it shows recent actions related to the file. For example, you may see edits, comments, sharing activity, and in some cases, file access events. This gives you a quick overview of what has been happening with the file and can help you understand whether someone interacted with it recently. If you specifically want to check viewer activity, there's an important extra step. Open the file directly in Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides. Once the file is open, go to the top menu and click Tools, then select Activity Dashboard. Inside the Activity Dashboard, look for the Viewers section. If this feature is available for your file and account, you may be able to see who viewed the file and when they viewed it. Keep in mind that viewer activity visibility can depend on the type of Google account you're using, as well as privacy and organization settings. So if you don't see viewer information, it doesn't always mean nobody opened the file. It may simply mean that this data isn't available in your version of Google Workspace or for that particular file. Finally, click the Share button to review the file's sharing settings. This lets you confirm exactly who has access and what their permission level is, such as viewer, commenter, or editor. Checking this is a good final step because it helps you verify whether the people you expect to have access are the only ones included. And that's how to check file activity and viewer visibility in Google Drive. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a much clearer picture of who can access your file and what kind of activity has taken place.